Hi all, welcome back to another video of JavaScript. Today we are going to discuss about conditional statements in JavaScript. In JavaScript we have the following conditional statements: if statement, if else statement, if else if ladder statement, loop statements, switch statement, break statement, and continue statements. Now we start with if statement. It is the fundamental control statements that allows JavaScript to make decision and execute statement conditionally. See the syntax. We have if keyword followed by the expression, then statements to be executed under flower brace. Here is the example. See, as usual we have the basic tags. Here we have a paragraph: display good day if the hour is less than 80 international time. Then here another paragraph with id demo. Now inside script we are going to access date function. It is inbuilt function. Then here we are going to display this demo. Just we are checking if date less than 18, then we print good day. Otherwise it will be like this. So we can run the script. See, good day. Now time in my computer is 1:57 p.m. so it shows good day. Now moving to our next conditional statement, if else. We are taking the same example. If hour less than 18, then we put good day. Otherwise we need to put something else. In the previous example we have only one statement here to execute. Here we have if time is not less than 18, we need to put the result good evening. So it will also say run the same program because in my computer time is now 1:58. See, save it, then run. If else, good day. Here we put a button. Here we put a button to click. Here from this button we accessing this function. We have the function. Inside function we have return everything. So this button is for when clicking you can go to the function here. So this is about if else statement. The syntax is if expression, then statements to be executed, otherwise else statement to be executed if expression is false. If it is true, statement 1 will be executed. If it is false, statement 2 will be executed. Now moving to our other if statement, that is if else if ladder. This is advanced form of if else statement that allows JavaScript to make correct decision out of several conditions. Syntax is if expression 1, then statement to be executed. If expression 1 is true, then else if expression 2, statements to be executed if expression 2 is true. Another one, else if expression 3, statements to be executed if expression 3 is true, then else statements to be executed. Last we have an else statement. Instead if and else we have else if ladder. So moving to the example, we have a function. Previous example we have a function. Just we have inserted one else if statement, that is here we have time less than 10, here we have time less than 20. If it is less than 10, it can display good morning. If it is less than 20, it only display good day. You have a doubt, if you give 2 p.m. as input, then what will be the result? The result will be this. It will consider this one first. So next, good evening. Otherwise, if it is not less than 10 and less than 20, it will print good evening. So I hope you understand the importance of else if statement. So this is about conditional statements in JavaScript. Next we will come with looping statement in JavaScript. So thank you.